back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 2 DIY glam projects. I was inspired by some beautiful decor from Gallerie. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I picked up these 2 velvet-like cushions from my local reject shop. They were just $6 each. Now, Gallerie currently have this gorgeous cushion called the Starburst Pillow. It retails for $99.95. We don't have Gallerie here in Australia, and I think that price is just way too expensive for a cushion. So I wanted to put my thinking cap on and give it Chelles touch. Taking my hot glue gun, what I'm doing here, guys, is just going around with the glue and doing single strokes. What you want to do is go around the entire cushion and create almost a look like the sun, as if the sun is bursting out at you. Now, the bonus of working with hot glue on a cushion, guys, is that you can correct your errors if you need to. If I made an error here, I just waited for the glue to dry and then I gently peeled it off. It creates no damage to the cushion whatsoever, and I then started again. Once I was happy with the result, I took my cushion outside and I took my favourite gold spray paint. And what we're going to do here, guys, is just spray a circle around the hot glue. Whilst that was drying, I then started on my second cushion. This time, guys, I'm actually going to go with a silver cushion. Once I was happy with the result, I then took it outside and taking my favourite silver spray paint, I then repeated the same steps. While both cushions were drying, I then started on my second DIY. I picked up this canvas from my local dollar store and it was an 18 by 18 size. I removed it from its wrapping and I started to do the same steps as I did with the cushion. Once you're happy with the result, I then took it outside and also spray painted it gold. While it was drying, I then brought in my cushions. Starting with the gold cushions, I took my favourite Mod Podge and a paintbrush. And what we're going to do here, guys, is just put the Mod Podge over the hot glue. I then took my favourite gold glitter from Spotlight and I then dusted it over the top. You're going to continue adding the Mod Podge to the hot glue and then continue to add the glitter. I then took a clean paintbrush and dusted off any excess. I then took a can of hairspray and gave it 2 coats to secure everything in place. I then took some of these dollar store Sequin Beans. Now, taking my hot glue gun, I want to add them to the centre as if they're bursting out of the middle. Once I was happy with the result, I then went over with 2 coats of hairspray. I then started on my second cushion and then repeated the exact same steps. This time I added some silver glitter to the cushion. Once I was happy with the result, I then give it 2 coats of hairspray. Again, using the same method, I used silver sequins this time and hot glued them to the centre. While they were drying, I then started on my canvas. Using the same method, again I went round with the Mod Podge. I used the same gold glitter and then went over again with 2 coats of hairspray. I then also added those gold sequins to the centre. And here are my Gallerie inspired glam glitter projects. I'm so happy with how they came. Guys, these simple and inexpensive DIYs was so much fun to create. I love taking something and doing it on a budget, and I love sharing those ideas with you. I think we can all agree we all love a glam cushion, but sometimes, guys, they are so overpriced. I love taking inspiration from something that I've seen and showing you a simple and inexpensive way of recreating that look.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes.
Leave me a comment down below if you'd like me to do a very large version of this canvas.
Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelles, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. My channel is all about decorating your home's glam on a budget. I love sharing simple and inexpensive ways where you can recreate DIY projects that I share with you.
The fragrance goes to my head, my darling, I get.
If you love glam decorating, room tours and inspirational ideas, my channel is filled with many videos of ideas for you to decorate your home's glam.
We've earned it. We've earned it.
I'd love for you to join Chelles Glam Home family. We are growing by the day, and I'm so proud to have you as part of our family.
Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't
forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, where I post daily, guys, glam decorating ideas, videos and YouTube updates for you to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Gallerie inspired DIYs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.